So last month I met this guy Akshay and this guy was super insecure about his looks. जितनी भी एक बंदे की insecurities हो सकती हैं about he's balding, he's aging, he's too tall. सबकी अलग अलग insecurities होती हैं. You might be thinking एक छोटा होना ही एक insecurity है, but this guy had different insecurities. But the point was that he was in a public facing job. मतलब during his job he had to interact with 200 to 300 people each day. And even after that he was not able to talk to women.
So I get nervous because I'm always afraid to approach. That's the thing I have in my head. Excuse me. You have a very nice jacket.
अक्षय को अप्रोच करते देख के मेरे को और सारे लड़कों की इनसिक्योरिटीज उसमें नजर आ रही थी. He was very insecure while doing his approaches and it was an internal insecurity. It was not even कि वो बाहर जाके कुछ गलत कर रहा है and he's not getting a good reaction. But it was this internal hesitation जिसकी वजह से वो approach ही नहीं कर पा रहा था. And it was a flash of all the guys who are dealing with insecurities. And I know that even you might be dealing with a lot of insecurities when it comes to talking to women. And the same thing was happening with this guy, even after he was talking to 200 people per day. So today I want to promise you one thing and one thing only. After watching his transformation, you will be able to see him in a different light and you will be able to see yourself in a different light. You will know exactly how you can deal with your insecurities, so you can go and start doing some approaches, you can go and start attracting some women. तो सबसे पहले आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा ये nervousness, ये insecurity, where does it all stem from? Now it stems from not having enough knowledge, क्योंकि आपके पास एक knowledge gap है. आपको लगता है कि अगर आप जाके लड़की से बात करोगे तो क्या बात करोगे? और the second thing is it's outside your comfort zone. आपने कभी ये किया ही नहीं है. That's why you think that if I start doing this, what is going to happen? It's the fear of the unknown.
Excuse me. Actually, this is very random, but you guys look great, so I just wanted to say hi. Are you from side? Okay. Are you guys working around here ki or just
starting?
Okay. So I was just walking by, saw you guys and I just wanted to say I'm a bit nervous right now, but what are you guys doing right now? You're just walking around.
और आज हम ये सारे barriers break down करेंगे and we'll understand how you can build that core confidence. So whether you've done an approach or whether you've never done an approach, this video is your next step towards being confident. हम हर एक छोटे से छोटे स्टेप की बात करेंगे जिससे आपको कॉन्फिडेंस इंक्रीज होगा with the opposite sex. मतलब you'll be able to talk to girls very easily and confidently, and you'll also be able to get numbers and you'll also be able to take them out on dates. So this is not about some simple tricks, some simple techniques. This is a deep dive into how to be that confident person. So today's video is going to be the first video of Double Your Dating virtual event. And in this virtual event, you're going to learn everything that you need to learn about dating to enhance your dating life almost instantly. And I promise you, once you go through Double Your Dating virtual event, all these 4 days are going to teach you how you can get a girlfriend in the next 4 days. It's going to be that simple. All you need to do is click on the pinned comment, sign up before slots run out because slots are going to be extremely limited. So let's start by joining Akshay in his journey from shy to confident, how he overcame his limiting beliefs, how he battled his approach anxiety, how he built connections with those women, and how he became a confident guy within just 4 to 5 hours. That's all it took. So if you think that confidence is a thing that you're born with, think again. Have you ever approached before?
So I get nervous because I'm always afraid to approach.
Oh, that's heartbreaking. I'm kidding. Anyways, have a nice day.
Maybe my Instagram handle?
I don't have Instagram. You broke my heart now. Excellent. I think you're beautiful. That's
So I think there are a lot of girls who are beautiful.
No, I think you are the unique one standing up in the entire
So
crowd.
I should.
So if you're ready to change your life and actually take action and become someone more confident, then watch this till the very end because आज जो हम बात करने जा रहे हैं, you're not only going to learn how to have conversations, but you're going to learn the real principles that we teach in our coaching. And we've never revealed this before, guys. We've never revealed a complete bootcamp footage where you learn exactly what I teach to the clients so that you can get that in-field experience as well. And more than that in-field experience, it's all about you using this knowledge and actually going out and implementing it.
Hey, excuse me. How are you? Just trying to say hi. What's your name?
What is it regarding?
I said you look very beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
What's your name again?
Actually, I have a boyfriend.
Okay, I'm just chilling out. I'm just trying to say hi. I'm not trying to be a boyfriend. I'm just
Okay.
trying to have an interaction.
So where are you from?
And you?
थोड़ी देर में call करूँ. Hello.
Are you a local?
Yeah.
Where are you from? Anytime?
Yeah, once from with my school. So
Ah, that was long time back.
yeah, long time back.
What's your name, by? Nice to meet you.
Same here.
So, what do you do for a living?
I work here.
You work in?
Company right here.
Okay.
In the travel
So, what is?
industry.
What, so you're more of an IT or something?
No. What about you? Oh, that's great.
So I get. So if you,
Sounds like a cool job.
yeah, if you have a, we can get drunk together.
So, what is the name of the club where you go?
I don't work in Goa actually,
Okay.
but I work out of the country,
Out of the country. Where out of the country?
in States,
Okay.
because
So, what are you doing here?
I'm just, I just came to meet my friends from Delhi who work together with me.
So, you are an NRI or you're just staying there for?
No, I live in Goa, but
So you live in Goa. So how do you work in the States?
I go 7 months
Okay.
off and 2 months you have to go.
Go.
Can I get your number? Maybe we can hang out sometime.
Maybe my Instagram handle.
I don't have Instagram. You broke my heart now. I still don't know
No problem.
number.
You can have my handle, and whenever you think of joining the Instagram,
Sure.
maybe you can follow me.
Let me do this. What's your Insta?
Yeah, right?
Hold on a second. Let me take notes. I don't know where to save.
So why are you not on Insta, if I may ask?
I'm not a very social media guy. I'm not into social media. Thank you again. It was nice meeting you.
Same
Nice
here.
talking to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
ये तो एक छोटा सा glimpse था what can actually happen in 4 to 5 hours. Now imagine if you have the right support, the right guidance, the right community, the right people around you, what can actually happen if you actually put your mind to transforming your dating life. And that is exactly what you're going to get if you sign up for Double Your Dating virtual event. What if things that are holding you back are just illusions?
Excuse me. You have a very nice jacket. It looks very good on you. What's your name?
सबसे पहले हमें इस नर्वसनेस, इस इनसिक्योरिटी, इस डर का मेन सोर्स निकालना पड़ेगा और उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए आपको डीप डाइव करनी पड़ेगी अपनी कंडीशनिंग में कि किस तरीके से आप बड़े हुए हो. What have you heard growing up? A lot of it comes down to societal expectations on you. सोसाइटी की एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती है जिनको आप बहुत करीब ले लेते हो अपने और जिनको आप सच मानने लग जाते हो और उससे आपको लगता है कि जो भी हो रहा है दैट इज गोइंग टू बी रॉन्ग बिकॉज सोसाइटी की मेरे से एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं कि आई एम 35 years old, आई एम 37 years old, आई शुड बी इन अ रिलेशनशिप, आई शुड हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड. प्रॉब्ली आई डोंट हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड, तो मेरे साथ कुछ गलत है. There's something wrong with me. Maybe I don't have hair, that's wrong. Maybe I'm a little dark skinned because that's what you hear. You know, the society telling you that, okay, you know, if you're going for an arranged marriage route, and this I heard, the guy was rejected because he had dark skin. The girl was rejected because she had dark skin. And because of all of this, it creates a lot of negative beliefs. And not only that, आप अपने बचपन के बारे में सोचो. When you were growing up, when you were talking to people, how many negative things did you hear? I'll tell you about myself. When I was growing up, I always used to hear कि don't ask too many questions. Always try to fit in. तुम्हारे दांत खराब है, इतने ऐसे अच्छे से हंसो मत. And what happened over the period of time? I went into my shell. And because I went into my shell, I was not that expressive. I was not talking to a lot of girls. I was not asking questions to people, even if I genuinely wanted to know, even if I was genuinely curious about something. I would never ask that question because I would think that the other people are going to judge me. और एक fear of judgment और एक fear of rejection बहुत बढ़ने लग गया. And fear of rejection इसलिए बढ़ने लग गया because I felt that since I've never spoken to a girl, if I speak to a girl for the first time, she's going to reject me. And that's exactly what I could see in Akshay's approaches. His approaches were not bad. His approaches were going good. But it's just he was not taking the initial step. वो initial push ही नहीं ले पा रहा था because of all the insecurities that he had, which were building over the period of time. So this is called past trauma. This is something that you need to release and let go if you actually want to get good with women, if you want to get good with your dating life. And this is very important for self-development. यहाँ पे you can see जितनी भी वो approaches करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, the only reason he's failing is because he's not even loud enough. Maybe he has heard in the past that don't be too loud. धीरे से बात करो और उसकी वजह से whenever he's talking to someone, the people can't even hear him.
Because I'm always afraid to approach. That's the thing I have in my head.
और ये सब तब होता है जब आपको अपनी वैल्यू नहीं पता होती. जब आपको अपनी वैल्यू ही नहीं पता और आपको अपने पे भरोसा ही नहीं है, that is when you have major insecurities, and that is when your insecurities control your dating life. It's not like you're controlling your dating life, but your insecurities hold you back from controlling your dating life, and you are single. And you're thinking, what is wrong with me? Whenever I go out, I see this ugly guy with an attractive girl. मैं क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा ये? That is because you have so much baggage, so much past baggage holding you back, and you've never even dealt with it. The first thing is to actually analyze and identify कि क्या किस तरीके का बैगेज है आपकी लाइफ में, किस तरीके की चीज़ें आपको पीछे रोक रही हैं ये सब करने से। एक बात मैं आपको बहुत क्लियरली बताना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस फियर, इतना सारा डर लेके आप कहीं नहीं जाओगे, एंड यू माइट जस्ट लीव द बेस्ट रिलेशनशिप दैट कुड एवर हैपन टू यू. You might just not meet that girl because you have this so many insecurities. That girl can be the most compatible girl that you've ever witnessed, but you might not approach her just because you have so many insecurities holding you back.
Hi, excuse me. Sorry to bother you. I just wanted to come over and say I really like your jumpsuit. So keep it up. My name is. Oh, okay. I'll catch you a little later.
तो अगर आप लड़कियों को अप्रोच करना चाहते हैं और आप सीखना चाहते हैं किस तरीके से आप एक सोशली कैलिब्रेटेड वे में, मतलब एक अच्छी तरीके से आप लड़कियों को अप्रोच करें जिससे आपको एक नंबर मिले, जिससे आप उनको डेट पे ले जा सकें, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट यू नीड टू बी मोर सोशल. आपने कभी किसी से बात ही नहीं करी एंड यू जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट ओके लेट मी जस्ट गो आउट देयर, अप्रोच बंच ऑफ गर्ल्स, लेट मी अट्रैक्ट देम. दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. Whenever I was coaching Melvin as well, you could see I'm coaching him step by step. I'm showing him exactly how it's done. I went to a girl just to get rejected so that he can see that rejection doesn't affect me that much.
Hello. Arnav. How are you? I know you think this is something weird. I just saw you and I had to say hi to you. That's all. What's your name? Really weird and awkward for you?
Yeah, it is.
I'm sorry for that. What? Like a professional. Wow. I want to learn some dance moves. I really suck at it. He's my friend. Why don't you come here, bro?
Is it a game or something? Please let me know.
No, it's not a game. No. He
Oh,
You can learn some dance moves, man. You can use it in your.
sure, sure.
What kind of dance do you do, though?
So I'm into Bollywood and Western and some
Is your academy over here somewhere? Okay.
I do events and weddings also.
All right. So he might be getting married soon. So should I take your number for the choreography?
You have my Instagram.
Oh, that's heartbreaking.
I know.
I'm kidding. Anyways,
So if you want to learn how to approach a girl, कैसे उसका नंबर लिया जाए, कैसे बात करी जाए, in a way where you can actually attract her, not an Eve teasing way जहाँ पे आप परेशान करें लोगों को, but you are going out there, you're creating positive emotions, you're creating a deeper connection, and you're taking her out on a date. तो आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा, you need to be more social first. Now when I was doing it back in Singapore, I was not a social guy to begin with. मैं इतना social बंदा ही नहीं था. I would probably talk to like 4 to 5 people each day, and that was it. But on the other hand, Akshay, this guy talks to 200 people in his job. He's talking to 200 to 300 people because of his job. And even after that, when it comes to women, he's feeling extremely nervous because he's never done it before. The first thing you need to do is you need to progressively desensitize yourself. मतलब धीरे धीरे अपना comfort zone expand करो और एक बात समझ जाओ, it's going to be tough initially. Accept that as a part of the process because nothing good really comes easy. It's all going to be a little tough initially, but it's going to be highly rewarding. That I can promise you. So aim for progressive desensitization. मतलब अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो, आपने कभी लड़की को अप्रोच नहीं किया, मत करो लड़कियों को अप्रोच. Make it easy for yourself. Approach some guys, ask the time, ask for directions. Become comfortable in talking to people. Then second, you go into the small talk phase. Small talk करो, किसी को compliment दो. As I'm teaching him, even I'm teaching him in this format where we just go in and we tell the clients to, hey, why don't you just do 5 approaches?
nice shoes, man. Where did you get these from?
I didn't remember.
Oh, all right, man. What's your name? To meet you. So it's just basic conversation.
Even when I started, I was doing approaches just to show him that it does not matter. I was approaching left, right and center, showing him that nothing matters. All what matters is you doing more to the environment than the environment does to you. मतलब अगर आप बाहर हैं, अगर आप 10 approaches करते हैं, you cut down your thinking mind. Now once you cut down your thinking mind, that is actually when you don't feel anything while you're doing those approaches. So no matter how much anxiety you feel, how much fear of judgment you feel, how much fear of rejection you feel, वो सब खत्म हो जाएगा when you start doing more to the environment, you start doing more approaches. That's why the moment a client does 10 approaches initially on a boot camp, his program is going good because उसने 10 approaches जाते ही कर दिए, then he feels like okay मैंने 10 तो कर दिए, अब एक लड़की से बात करने में कितनी बड़ी बात हो जाएगी. Basically you're tricking your mind into thinking positively about approaching and socializing. Now we Indians actually have a more negative perception towards approaching because in India stranger means danger. But जब आप बाहर जाओगे, आप US जाओगे, आप यूरोप जाओगे, Over there's a very natural habit of greeting strangers. So over there, socializing is a very normal thing. But over here in India, it's not that normal of a thing. We're not told that आप बाहर जा रहे हो आप एक कभी stranger को good morning, good evening बोलो. We have never actually been trained like that. And because of that, we have those negative beliefs in our head which actually hold us back from just talking to a complete stranger. कुछ बहुत ही common misconceptions होते हैं related to approaching, related to socializing and dating जो आपको पीछे hold back करेंगे, जो मेरे दिमाग में भी थे, जो शायद आपके दिमाग में भी होंगे, जो शायद अक्षय के दिमाग में भी है, which is fear of judgment. अगर मैंने किसी को अप्रोच किया, सारे लोग मेरे को देखने लग जाएंगे, सारे लोग बोलेंगे ये क्या कर रहा है, tell him to stop, why is he approaching a girl? That common misconception is because of our friends telling us, why are you doing this, why are you doing that, no you cannot do that, should not tell her that you like her. Now I remember when I was in 9th grade, I really liked this girl, you know, and I went up to her and I told her, hey listen, I really like you. She went up, told the whole class, और उसने पूरी क्लास को ऐसे बताया कि I was so embarrassed of that particular moment. And because I was so embarrassed of that particular moment, do you think I ever did that again, especially in school? I was so lost with fear that, okay, even if I like a girl, I cannot express my liking towards her. इस वजह से when I started doing cold approach, that fear slowly and slowly got eradicated. Cold approach का मतलब going out and approaching random people, and that fear just got eradicated because I realized that जब मैं बच्चा था, I had no idea about attraction. I had no idea about how to talk to a girl. But now with the knowledge I've gained, maybe from YouTube, maybe from talking to people in my life, maybe from traveling to countries, the knowledge I've gained made me more socially calibrated. That is exactly what we do with people in our personalized coaching program. In the personalized coaching program, I tell people the first step is just go out and give compliments to people. Once they start giving the compliments, they realize that सबको yes reactions मिल रहे हैं. Everyone is, you know, nicely talking to them. At least in most cases, only some are rejections. तो उनका जितना negative mindset होता है socializing से related, which is socializing is bad, you know, it cannot be done in India, it cannot be done publicly with a complete stranger. वो mindset और वो limiting beliefs टूटने लग जाते हैं, और जब वो टूटने लग जाते हैं, that is when the person becomes more and more confident. एक बहुत बड़ा common misconception है कि मैं अच्छा नहीं दिखता. I don't look good. तो अगर मैं लड़कियों को approach करूँगा, उनको reject कर देंगे. Same thing happened with Akshay. Same thing happens with a lot of people. There can be multiple reasons for that. कोई बंदा अगर 17 साल का है तो उसको लगता है कि यार मैं नर्ड की तरह दिखता हूँ, जो मेरे को लगता था. कोई बंदा अगर 30 साल का है उसको लगता है यार I'm too old for this, I don't look good. कोई बंदा अगर 40 साल का है उसको भी सिमिलर चीज़ें लगती है. Someone is too short, he thinks that I'm too short. मैं ऐसे भी बंदों से मिला हूँ जो बहुत लंबे हैं, and they think that hey man, मैं इतना लंबा हूँ that girls get scared of me. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको बचपन से यही सुनाया जा रहा है कि you are so tall, you are so tall. तू इतना लंबा है, तेरे को आवाज आ रही है मेरी. I remember in my school people used to bully tall people like that. So now you know everyone has these insecurities that actually hold them back from taking action, talking to girls, and becoming more confident with the opposite sex. But even after having these insecurities, if you just follow the right way of doing those approaches, you're gonna get a result like this.
Yeah. No. Excuse me. So this is very random. I was just walking by and I saw you and I just wanted to say hi.
Hi.
You look like an angel the way I say. What are you guys doing right?
No, nothing, sir.
So
Just roaming around.
I'm also just walking around. I was just looking for some places to get some food.
No, I already saw you. Sorry.
Okay, cool. So where are you from? Acha, I sort of felt a South Indianish vibe from you, but I wasn't sure where you're from. Where do you think I'm from, I said?
You are from North? No?
Take a guess. Take a stab at it. My God, how did you get it so quickly?
Slang?
Do I have that slang when I speak?
No, actually my friend is from Andhra.
Acha, you got friends. So are you working around here or are? Is it Optum?
Is it
Optum?
So?
Pharma-based company.
So the last thing that actually helps us identify these fears and these insecurities is the psychological impact. It's your self-perception. आप अपने आप को किस नजरिए से देखते हो? I remember I had these 2 clients on a boot camp. दोनों clients 45 years के थे. एक बंदा देखता था अपने आप को कि मैं तो 45 years का हूँ, मैंने इतना कुछ करा हुआ है लाइफ में. I'm just going and talking to these young girls. और एक बंदा अपने आप को एक दूसरे नजरिए से देखता था कि I'm 45 years old, you know, I'm talking to these 23, 24-year-old pretty girls. मैं कैसे बात करूँगा? तो उनकी सेल्फ परसेप्शन बहुत अलग थी. एक बंदा अपने आप को बहुत हाईली सेल्फ परसीव करता था और the other guy was perceiving low value behavior. तो इस वजह से the way they would talk to people would also drastically change. तो आपको अपनी self perception भी improve करनी पड़ेगी if you want to actually get good at this. And this goes more to the inner game side of it, which is basically you working on yourself. क्योंकि self perception is not something जो एक दिन में ऐसे ही improve हो जाए. It is something which takes a little bit more time, and this डायरेक्टली कोरिलेट्स विद योर लाइफस्टाइल की किस तरीके का आप लाइफस्टाइल जी रहे हो. क्या आप जिम जा रहे हो, क्या आप हेल्दी खा रहे हो, आर यू रीडिंग, आर यू टॉकिंग टू फ्रेंड्स, डू यू हैव गुड रिलेशनशिप्स इन योर लाइफ. All of this uplifts you as a person, and once you're uplifted as a person, your self identity जो जिस तरीके से आप अपने आप को देखते हो, that also gets uplifted. So you need to have a positive self identity if you actually want to get good with dating. But in case you don't want to go that self identity route, in case you think that it takes a lot of time, I also have a quick hack for you. This is something that we use with all our clients, and this small hack super speeds their progress, literally super speeds their progress. I had this one client on a life coaching session back in Bangalore, and this guy had never done an approach before. ये बंदा बहुत डरा हुआ आया था प्रोग्राम में, and he was like, hey man, approach तो मुझसे नहीं हो रही. I've broken up with my girl. मैंने तुम्हारी ad देखी. I came over here, and now I'm here. But I think you guys are doing the online dating thing. उस वजह से मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ results आ जाएंगे. So approaches, I don't think I'm gonna do. But on the life coaching program, that guy did 30 approaches the first time he entered a nightclub. So if he can do that without having done any approaches, वो कभी club में भी नहीं गया था. If Akshay can do that, having so many insecurities and thinking bad about his looks, having a negative self-perception, and if those 45-year-old guys can do that, then what is holding you back?
One day of night game, this might sound exaggerating or something, but I probably did like 20-25 sets because उस time पे I was like fuck it, next 10 मिनट करूँगा, इसके बाद नहीं करूँगा. So that 15-20 minutes I just pretty much I opened almost I think बहुत सारे sets in the club, pretty much like 70-80% of the club I would say. This might sound too fake and unrealistic, but that happened उस time पे. In that moment I just went for it, which I never thought I would be doing one day.
So now you've identified your insecurities, you've identified your barriers that hold you back. The second step is actually breaking them down in a pragmatic way कि आप progress कर पाओ. Anything that pushes you forward is good, anything that takes you back in the same spot is bad. So imagine gaining one lifetime worth of confidence in just one afternoon. Is it actually possible? It's definitely possible with the right guidance. And तुम सोचोगे कि मुझसे कैसे होगा? How can I do it? I'm sitting at home watching this video. How can I actually get that confidence that these guys are getting in just a single afternoon? Well, you need to understand a lot of it comes down to the community you have. A lot of it comes down कि किस तरीके के लोगों से आप सराउंडेड हो. अगर आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जा रहे हो जो आपको होल्ड बैक करेंगे, हर एक सोशल ग्रुप में हर एक बंदे का एक सोशल कैपिटल होता है. मान लो आपका सोशल कैपिटल आपके सोशल ग्रुप में लो है, तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? आपके दोस्तों का सोशल कैपिटल थोड़ा सा आपसे ऊपर है. दे विल ट्राई टू पुट यू इन द सेम स्पॉट. सबसे पहले आपको ये आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि आप उन सोशल ग्रुप्स में तो नहीं है जो आपको पीछे होल्ड बैक कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो सोशल ग्रुप एक सबसे बड़ा बैरियर बन सकता है आपके प्रोग्रेस के लिए. सेकेंडली, आपको एक गेम प्लान चाहिए होगा कि हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू डू दैट अप्रोचेस. मोस्ट पीपल व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू डू द अप्रोचेस दे हैव नो आइडिया, नो गेम प्लान. दे जस्ट गो आउट एंड दे लाइक आज मैं अप्रोच करने जा रहा हूँ. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अ लॉट ऑफ फियर बिल्ड्स अप कि पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, सेकंड चीज में क्या करूंगा, थर्ड चीज में क्या करूंगा. So we follow a CQC method of approaching, which is compliment, question, and conversation. Now it works like a charm because it's made on psychological principles. Like you give a compliment to someone, they'll feel good about themselves, plus they will know exactly why you're there. You're there to have a conversation with them. Then you ask them a question. क्योंकि आपने उनको एक compliment दिया, they are more likely to invest. And then you end up going in a conversation जहाँ पे आप उनसे एक बात करोगे और एक deeper connection बिठाओगे. Now the CQC formula I'm going to break down on the 4th day. There's going to be a lot of nuances to it, so I would suggest you click on the pinned comment, sign up before the slots run out, because there are going to be a lot of bonuses for the first 200 signups as well. So make sure you click the pinned comment and sign up immediately. अभी भी आप में से कुछ लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि I cannot do it. This is too much effort and this is too good to be true. मैं कैसे जाके एक लड़की से बात कर सकता हूँ अगर मैं जानता भी नहीं हूँ उसको. That's why I want to introduce you to my 45-year-old client. Now, when you're at that age and if you have never done it, if you have never dated a woman, it's going to be 10 times harder for you to do it. But if he can do it, you can do it as well.
One thing, I'm looking for a place, for a good dinner place, Connaught place. Suggestions. I have 3 friends who gonna join me in the night. कोई suggestion है आपके पास? We want to do a sit-down dinner, quite सा. No, not with you. With my friends, I'm asking you for a suggestion. Another person. So we were doing mixed sets. We were gaming together. We were doing individually. All part of the exercises, and the interesting thing was we opened quite a few people, and we were able to pull folks on instant dates. That's a huge step in knowing how people respond to you, that within a day how your own game or your own approach changes and how it impacts the other people, and it more gets ingrained in your head that what are the things you're good at, what you need to improve, plus the exercises that we do, it all helps. So day 3 is equally important. I think I had a wonderful time. A lot of new insights that you gain. The most important takeaways being the blind spots that you don't see for yourself, and the mentors here and the coaches will break it down for you and will help you see those blind spots. It's a very basic social skill that I believe everybody should have. It's just not just about approaching women, it's about knowing what it is to be social, what is the right way to be social. And when you have that out of the way, it makes many things a lot more easier.
So from self-doubt to self-assured in just a matter of hours, this can actually happen to you. पहले सबसे आपको ये करना है, आपको इनिशिएटिव लेना शुरू करना है. You need to put yourself outside your comfort zone. अपने घर से बाहर निकलो. 90% of the guys I talk to on a daily basis, they don't even leave their places. कई लोगों का work from home चल रहा है, जिसकी वजह से वो lazy हो चुके हैं. उनको एक आदत बन चुकी है घर पे रहने की, आदत बन चुकी है लोगों से ना इंटरेक्ट करने की. कई लोग हैं जो कह रहे हैं कि I'm too done with my office, मैं घर आता हूँ, मैं थक जाता हूँ. I don't even want to go out because they're watching Netflix. I was actually talking to this one client जो मेरे को कहता, यार मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है. I don't have any time on my hands. मैं ये approaches कर ही नहीं सकता because मैं 9 बजे घर आ रहा हूँ, मैं कितने बजे approaches करूँ? Then I'm like, okay, why don't you open your phone? अपना phone खोलो, अपना screen time देखो. Screen time of 4 hours per day. I'm like, can you dedicate those 4 hours not in your phone but actually probably downloading an online dating application, going out for half an hour. ज़्यादा मत करो, 2 approaches करो. क्योंकि सबसे पहले the biggest problem is क्योंकि आप ये सब YouTube पे देखते हो, you think that I can go out and I can do 40 approaches a day. मेरे को 3 महीने लग गए थे उस लेवल तक बिल्डअप करने के लिए. लोगों को उससे भी ज़्यादा लग जाते हैं. You don't even have to do 40 approaches. You just need one girl if you want actually a girlfriend. You just need to approach one girl. It needs to go good. You need to be attracted to that girl. You need to be a little bit more compatible with that girl, and she will be your girlfriend. It's not that hard. It's not you need to be an approaching machine, but you just need to do a couple of approaches to get a beautiful, fulfilling relationship. So अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकलो और जाओ और दुनिया को देखो. You need to understand कि ये चीज़ comfortable आपकी तभी होगी जब आप अपने आप को push करोगे. You need to actually push yourself to get good at this, because if you do not push yourself, you will not go against that resistance that you feel while doing these approaches. एक बहुत resistance आती है, एक hesitation आती है. At least initially सबको आती है. It's like crawling through the mud. जैसे आर्मी ऑफिसर्स मड के थ्रू क्रॉल कर रहे होते हैं, इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. बट वंस यू एक्चुअली गेट गुड एट दिस, जिसमें आपको शायद 2 से 3 महीने यू हैव टू क्रॉल थ्रू द मड, बट उसके बाद एक नमनेस आ जाएगी आप में. यू विल बिकम अ लॉट मोर कंफर्टेबल विद डूइंग दोज अप्रोचेस, बिकॉज आपने ऐसी अप्रोचेस कर लिए होंगे. आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन के इतना बाहर जा चुके होंगे कि आपका कंफर्ट जोन एक्सपैंड हो चुका होगा. और जब आपका कंफर्ट जोन एक्सपैंड हो चुका होगा, देन यू विल बिकम एक्चुअली कॉन्फिडेंट. यू विल बी एबल टू टॉक टू एनीवन विद कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड यू विल सी जितना आप लड़कियों से बात करो वही चीज़ आपकी लाइफ में भी चेंजेस लाएगी. इन योर करियर एज वेल, यू विल सी दैट द वे यू टॉकिंग विद योर कलीग्स will change. You will be able to get promotions real quick because you will be able to build those social connections with people, and actually not only social connections but deeper bonds with your colleagues, with your family. क्योंकि ये चीज़ हर चीज़ में आपके इफेक्ट करेगी, because this is more like a mindset thing. This is not just something that you're doing going out like for an hour talking to some girls. This is a lifestyle shift, guys. It's like a complete lifestyle shift. So only people who are dedicated, only people who actually want this bad will get it. एक चीज़ और जो मैं अपनी जर्नी में समझा, स्पेशली आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ कोच, was that initial hurdles सबकी जर्नी में आते हैं. No matter who I've taught, जो इनिशियल एक दिन होता है, जो द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ अप्रोचिंग होता है, when people are actually going out and talking to girls for the first time, सबकी फटी होती है. सबकी फटी होती है, थोड़ा बुरा भी जा रहा होता है. Then it's not always the best day of your life. Maybe it can be the top worst day of your life, but the reward it gets, in your journey, जो आगे जाके आपको rewards मिलेंगे, that is going to probably make it one of the most worthwhile days of your life. And I want you to see these initial struggles of these people so that you understand that this is exactly what's going to happen to you as well. And this happens with each and every one. no matter you're doing the coaching or no matter you're not, even if you're doing the coaching, these hurdles happen. The only thing that happens with coaching is that hurdle आते ही आपको एक उसका solution मिल जाता है and you're able to come over that hurdle. Even in my journey, when I had these initial hurdles, I was doing it for like a year before I actually got good at this. और जितना मैंने 2 साल में सीखा, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा मेरे clients 3 महीने में सीख लेते हैं, because I know that when I was going out, I had no one to watch me, I had no one to give me that feedback, no one experienced enough telling me exactly where I'm going wrong. But when my clients are going out, once they get that feedback, they immediately fix those problems. And not only that, not only the problems, but because it's such a community support that they're going out with their friends, they're actually enjoying the process. और एक बार आप इसको enjoy करना शुरू कर देते हैं, then you become really good real fast because you actually feel like going out. Initially when I was learning it, I used to push myself to go out. मेरे को अपने आप को literally धक्का मार के अलार्म सेट करके 3-4 निकलना पड़ता था because I always had this hesitation कि यार बाहर जाके अप्रोच तो कर लूँगा, बोलूँगा क्या, बात क्या करूँगा. But don't worry, in this Double Your Dating 4-day virtual event, जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स मेरे को, अक्षय को और विजय को अपनी जर्नी में आई थी, I'm gonna make sure आपको ना आए. So click the pinned comment and sign up for the Double Your Dating virtual event if you've not already. सबकी initial struggle देखने में एक अलग ही मजा आता है because you feel that at least I'm not the only one, but I also want you to see their transformations. और इनकी इनिशियल स्ट्रगल सिर्फ 3 से 4 घंटे की थी. उसके बाद they were having really good conversations. Even the 45-year-old guy ended up going on 2 dates in the first day itself. पहले दिन में उसने पहली लड़की को अप्रोच किया. It was not happening. The girls rejected him. Then he started approaching the second girl, gave him a little tweaks, told him to focus on his breathing, told him to not focus on the environment so much. क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी गलती लोग यही करते हैं. And once he actually got in the zone, he was not focused on the environment. He was only focused on the woman he wanted to talk to and he wanted to interact with. And all the beliefs that he had कि मैं तो 45 years का हूँ, ये लड़कियाँ तो मुझसे 22-23 साल की हैं, and you know these girls are so attractive. Why would they even talk to me? All the beliefs that he had were shattered जब उसको पहली उसकी इंस्टेंट डेट मिली. और पहली इंस्टेंट डेट मिलना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है गाइस. अगर आप भी जाके बाहर 10 लड़कियों को अप्रोच करोगे, एक ना एक लड़की तो होगी जो आपसे अट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. अगर आपके पास वो सही नॉलेज है कि उसको इंस्टेंट डेट पे कैसे लेके जाना है, जो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, विच इज़ वेरी सिंपल. आप 2 मिनट लड़की से बात करो. whenever you're talking to a girl for 2 minutes, that means that she's socially interested in talking to you. जब आप सोशल हुक पॉइंट तक पहुंच गए हैं, तभी आपको उसको वहां से लीड करना है एक दूसरी लोकेशन पे. And that's exactly what I taught the other client. He tried doing that, but it failed for him. But doesn't matter. जो आप एक अप्रोच में ट्राई करो, वो आप 10 अप्रोचेस में ट्राई करोगे, you will get a result. Whenever you're talking to the girl, whenever I'm talking to the girl, I'm just like, hey, do you mind if we walk and talk? सिर्फ इतनी सी बात आपको बोलनी होती है जब आप एक सोशल हुक पॉइंट रीच कर जाते हो. एंड after that you will be able to walk with her, you'll be able to talk to her, and then you can just be like, hey, I found this small good coffee shop, why don't we just have a quick coffee over there? And coffee is not the story, guys. Coffee is not what makes it an instant date. What makes it an instant date is you getting to know the girl. आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा, लड़कियों को कॉफी से, पानी से, पेप्सी, अल्कोहल, इस सब से मतलब नहीं है. What matters is the desire that you have for them. Do you actually want to know? Are you genuinely interested in knowing them or not? अगर आप उनको genuine interest अपना दिखा पाते हो, you are able to convey it in a socially calibrated way, which means आप गलत तरीके से अपना point across नहीं रख रहे, आप एक सही तरीके से अपना point across रख रहे हो, which is not making them uncomfortable, which is not making them think that you are a creep, then they would be very willing to talk to you. So 10 approaches आप करोगे. Start small, start baby stepping it. Maybe make it easier for yourself. अगर आप पहली बार कर रहे हैं, start approaching guys. Start asking for directions. 10 बार आपने डायरेक्शंस पूछी, then shift to girls, start asking directions from the girls, then shift to guys and start giving compliments to the guys, then shift to girls again and give them compliments. Now the next thing that you need to do is you need to lead that girl from point A to point B. Now the reason why you have to lead her is because that builds ultimate trust. अगर आप एक लड़की से बात कर रहे हैं और आप उसके साथ एक environment shift कर रहे हैं, the environment shifts but you and her are the constant, and because of that बहुत ज़्यादा trust build होता है, और उस trust की वजह से ही वो आपको नंबर देगी, उस trust की वजह से ही वो आपके साथ डेट पे जाएगी, और उस trust की वजह से ही she'll become your girlfriend. The method which was followed over here was CQC approach in all cases, which means complimenting the girl, asking a question, and then going to the conversation. अब ये method आप सोच रहे हो आया कैसे, किसने create किया है method? When I came back from Singapore, I realized that इंडिया में कल्चर थोड़ा अलग है. सिंगापुर में कल्चर थोड़ा ओपन था. यू नो, इफ आई वुड टॉक टू एनीवन, दे वुड प्रॉब्ली गेट अट्रैक्टेड थोड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा बात होने के बाद. बट इंडिया में क्या है कि अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू पुट योर पॉइंट अक्रॉस, अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू टॉक टू द गर्ल इन अ वे वेयर यू टेल हर दैट यू आर रोमांटिकली इंटरेस्टेड इन हर, the girl is not going to figure that out because it's not very common also. अब थोड़ा बहुत common हो रहा है, but initially it was not very common as well. And plus, I felt that यहाँ पे जो लोग अप्रोचेस कर रहे हैं, they're doing like very weird and creepy approaches. अगर आप दिन में जाओगे, so they're doing eavesdropping. अगर आप रात में जाओगे, they're having a drink and they're grinding behind a girl and they're thinking that that is the approach. So approaches बहुत बेकार तरीके से हो रही है यहाँ पे. It's not happening in a very socially calibrated way, and because of that, I thought, okay, why not create something which actually gets you a desired result each and every time. मतलब without fail, it has a quality result. तो इस वजह से मैंने CQC मेथड निकाला, बिकॉज CQC मेथड हर एक वो चीज़ कर देता है जो इंडियन अप्रोचेस नहीं कर पा रही थी, विच इज़ गिविंग द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, अपना डर हटाना कि किसी को आप कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हो, सामने से दूसरे वाले को भी पता होना चाहिए कि आप एग्जैक्टली वहाँ पे क्यों हो, बिकॉज यू हैव अ रोमांटिक इंटरेस्ट टुवर्ड्स देम. Asking a question से the other person can invest in that conversation, they can go and you can also go deeper into whatever you ask them and actually build a deeper connection. The third thing is going towards a conversation. Now conversation is very important to build that relatability. Relatability मतलब हाँ ये भी एक इंसान है मेरी तरह, मैं मतलब he is just a person like me, has probably similar interest. उससे क्या होता है कि ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होता है, और इतना आपको ट्रस्ट चाहिए if you want to lead that girl from point A to point B. और बिना लीड करे अगर आप नंबर क्लोज करोगे, you will not get a reply. That's why it's very important to lead that person from point A to point B. Go for an instant date. अगर instant date नहीं हो रही, don't make it a very big deal. Just go in for the number close. She will give you the number. Unless and until you ask, you're never gonna know. So bro, this is just the beginning. Imagine what you can achieve from 3 days of guidance and support in the right direction. And that is exactly what's going to happen, because tomorrow we're going to drop a video showing you everything that you need to know about conversations. I'm going to break down my own approaches. I'm going to show you exactly how I talk to people, how I talk in a way where I make them comfortable, and how I proceed it further to a romantic direction, how I get the number and set the date. So stay tuned for tomorrow.